Late at night, the hunger strikes. You find yourself staring at the fridge, torn between grabbing a snack and the guilt of thinking, am I ruining my health? What if I told you, eating at night doesn't have to come with all that guilt? In fact, it might not be as bad as you think. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to eat at night without feeling bad, but how to do it in a way that is actually good for you. Let's address the elephant in the room. The idea that eating at night automatically leads to weight gain or health problems is one of the biggest food myths out there. But where did this even come from? It's based on the belief that your metabolism slows down when you sleep, so you cannot burn calories. But here's the kicker, it's not that simple. Your body doesn't just clock out at 8 p.m. like a 9 to 5 job. It's working 24/7, just like that one co-worker that always replies to emails at 3 a.m. The problem isn't eating at night, it's what and how much you eat. Studies show that nighttime snacks tend to be higher in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Think about it. When was the last time you craved a broccoli smoothie at 11 p.m.? But that doesn't mean you have to give up snacking altogether. Instead, it's about making smarter choices and understanding your body's actual needs. Okay, here's the good news. Eating at night can actually work in your favor, if you do it right. Let's break it down. Listen to your body. Are you actually hungry or you are bored? There is a difference. If you are just bored, distract yourself. Watch a funny video, learn to juggle, or literally anything else. Choose the right foods. Protein and fiber-rich snacks are your best friends at night. Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or even a banana with a dab of peanut butter won't sabotage your health or sleep. Meanwhile, that bag of chips, not your friend. Portion control is a key. Even healthy snacks can turn into a problem if you eat them like you're prepping for hibernation. Keep it light, like a snack, not a second dinner. What about weight loss and sleep? Here's the part you've been waiting for. Does nighttime eating actually stop you from losing weight or ruin your sleep? It all depends on your overall calorie intake. If you've already eaten your daily calorie needs and add a midnight fast, yeah, you'll gain weight. But if you're eating within your calorie limits, you're fine. As for sleep, certain foods like turkey or bananas can even help you to fall asleep faster. Nighttime cravings often have little to do with the hunger and more to do with habit. If you're used to reaching for snacks during your Netflix binge, your brain will automatically expect it every night. It's like that one friend who always expects you to pick up the tab. Stop letting them take advantage. So, is eating at night bad? Not inherently. It's all about balance, making smart choices, and breaking free from the guilt. If you're hungry, eat. But don't let nighttime eating turn into all-you-can-eat buffet. Let's disprove that eating at night isn't so bad. Trust me. The number of calories you eat won't increase once the clock hits 10. Late time eating doesn't have to be your enemy. It can even be part of your healthy lifestyle, as long as you approach it with intention. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to midnight snack? Comment below and let's keep the conversation going.